I want to thank all of you because today is the day we hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is all because of you, because of the love and support that you all have for this channel, and I'm super grateful for it. And I got something a little bit special that I made that I want to show you all, which is, as you all can see from the title of this video already, it is the winglet. Let's go! Hello friends! So as again, I just want to say thank you all so much for making this happen and also joining me for a ride. And by the way, it's 6 in the morning right now because something is coming up very special. So the next video is going to be very special, okay? So yeah, that's why it is dark. Okay, it's clear. I just want to talk about why I make videos. Honestly, I didn't want to make videos at first. I just love sharing stuff, and so you know, I got like a random thought. Okay, it's my first bike. I think I want to make it a memory because this is going to be my dream come true, right? So like, if you know, I was really into bikes. I fell in love with bike when I was 9. It's been many years that I really wanted a bike. So finally saved enough money, got myself a bike, and I just want to make memories, right? So I just make a video of me getting my bike, my first bike for the first time, and then I started to enjoy the process of doing that. And then slowly by slowly I was uploading videos that I don't know, have no content or things like that, because I really have no clue what am I doing at the time. So that was like 3 years back or 2 years back, somewhere around there. And then until the day I got this 390 Duke, I have a lot of things that I really want to share. So I just keep making videos, and to my surprise, there are actually many of y'all that like what I do, especially like the accessory videos. Many of the questions are asking me about my mirrors, these custom mirrors. So yeah, I'm very grateful that many of you have like interest in what I do on my bike. And then I read the comments. Oh, this guy. Damn. Okay, yeah, I read comments and people asking me, oh, what's your height and things like that, right? A lot of things lah, a lot of questions. I appreciate it. I really appreciate your comments, guys, because like, it makes me think, and hopefully I can answer them. And then the comments are actually what gets me, you know, going. And also like the likes and the subscribes. I just enjoy making videos. I mean, the process of making videos, the filming part, it is a lot of work, but I enjoy doing it. And finally today I got myself a GoPro already, Hero 10. Yes, Hero 10, because yes, of course, you all deserve a better quality video. Actually, by the way, also I'm very into photography lah. At the age of I think 13, my mom bought me a DSLR camera, and then I got addicted to it. So that's something what my girlfriend told me, like, your hobbies are so expensive. And just please excuse the dark sky, because yeah, it's 6 AM and I'm actually going for a ride to somewhere special, and something very special that I want to film and I want to try out with the Hero 10. It's been on my mind for I think years, and finally I can afford a Hero 10. So the next video, it's going to be special. It's really going to be special, trust me. So please stay tuned. I'm super excited. Oh my god, it's dark. Boom, high beam. Auxiliary lights. Yeah, please stay tuned. And the video is going to be super epic. I promise it's going to be super epic. So remember to click the subscribe button, because the video is going to be coming out next, and it's going to be crazy epic. So yeah, click the subscribe button and the notification bell button, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you all so much as again. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.